Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and a clean signal. That matters because low battery or dirt often causes dropouts. First, charge to above 50% and look for the blue LED. Next, gently inspect the mesh and magnetic junctions, debris block sound. Once done, restart your phone and toggle Bluetooth off and on. This resets transient interference. If you can, forget the Bullets Wireless Z entry in Bluetooth settings and repair. It clears corrupted profiles and often restores normal. Now you address software and signal path causes, which are common. You should check for firmware updates through OnePlus settings or the Hey Melody/Companion app. Updates fix codec bugs and syncing issues. Then test playback from two sources, your phone and another device, to see whether the problem is the earbuds or the phone. Make sure to change Bluetooth codec or lower sample rates in developer options. That reduces bandwidth demands and cures dropouts caused by unstable wireless environments. Finish by ruling out hardware and pairing residue, because many issues hide in dirty contacts or stuck firmware states. Carefully clean the contact pins and case with 70% isopropyl on a cotton swab. Make sure things are dry before charging. Perform a factory reset by holding the power for 10 to 15 seconds or using the companion app, then repair. If sound problems persist, try a different phone or cable to isolate hardware faults, and if that fails, contact support as a last step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.